Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank SSP and Lee organizing and inviting us to this meeting. Probably my talk is going to be around more on the reward side and less on the risk side. And I would like to answer the risk questions later on at the question and answers. I think as the publishing community, we are living in a very changing environment. We like it or we don't like it, our world is changing. We are a people of the book, and we became people of the e-reader or smart devices. There's a fundamental shift the way that we communicate, the way that we create, publish, share, collaborate, learn, and exchange knowledge. Our industry, the knowledge discovery that we are providing to our users is changing. Scholarly communication is changing. And these are difficult times. All of us, these are uncertain times, and we are all trying to figure out how we can add value to the services that we are providing to our users. Every day, this is the most challenging task that we all have as professionals in this field. How we can add value to the content that we are disseminating, to the content that we are publishing. A key element that when we look at the world is none of us is as smart as all of us. So how we are going to leverage this change? How we are going to leverage what's happening on the beautiful platforms that are being built leveraging crowdsourcing? A simple change. A new company comes to the market, says that we are going to look at all the researchers and we are going to help the researchers figure out how to get funding. This company, Proprietary, based in New York, what they are doing, they are kind of filtering researchers' funding requests. And researchers now, instead of going to NIH or other places, they are going to the crowd to get funding for their research. That's a change that is happening in our market. The industry that we are in is the most exciting and challenging industry. Our world is changing, and we all must change too. But how we are going to change? When we are going to change, we need to listen to our customers. Our users are in pain. The research is a painful process right now. When we started our initiative saying that how we can provide more value to our customers, to our users, how we can generate the next information platform, we came out with a formula. We said that information platforms should be open. It should provide insightful, intelligent information within the context of the customer workflow. We need to figure out how we can improve the productivity of our researchers. So we said that we want to open our doors. We want to collaborate with the research community, with the librarian community, with the scientific community. And we want to provide them the tools, the services, so that they can build the solutions that they want. We don't want to be in the pushing of solution business. We want to create solutions, the applications that are with the researchers. So what we have done, we said that, okay, we are going to provide our APIs that we have in our products, mainly Science Direct and Scopus. And we are going to provide our full text in Science Direct to the research community to build solutions. So this initiative, creating application using our APIs and our content, became the core of our products, of our major products, Science Direct and Scopus. So what we have done, we created a developer portal. We provided our APIs, and all our products, Embase, Scopus, Cybers, Reaxys, we provide our APIs to the research community. They go, they use the APIs, and they create applications that we can integrate into our products. So what we are doing here, we created a new ecosystem. This time, our researchers, they collaborate publishing an article. So we are saying that now you can collaborate with other researchers, scientists, to publish applications, to publish solutions that we can integrate into our platform, that you can share with other researchers, with the other scientific community. That's kind of an addition to the publishing ecosystem that we do. Now, but we are saying that applications or solutions can become the new content. So the raison d'etre of this whole initiative is how we can accelerate science and how we can empower the researcher and scientific community to create the solutions. And the solutions that we are going to create with the research community should improve the productivity of the researchers. That's the key. So what we are saying that when you come to an information platform, you shouldn't do just research, get search results, but what we are saying that now you can research with applications, with solutions. For all of us, just being a content provider is no good in the information solution business. Our users have problems, so we need to create solutions to help our users. And what we are saying that with the applications, we can help you. So we created our application gallery, application marketplace, and we invited researchers and scientific community to build the applications. And so far, the research community built over 130 applications. And these applications are all in different categories. We are concentrating on collaboration, search, management, and analysis of the content. These are the key workflow elements. And then another key element with all the solutions that we are providing is we want to enrich the content. The content should be interactive. And we are not going to do this ourselves alone. Therefore, what we are doing, all these elements that didn't exist before in a static article, we are integrating this with the third parties. So people can easily interact with the article. The articles are getting a new document soul. Each article has a different soul. Another key problem with the research community is they want to link seamlessly from literature to data sets. How we are going to do that? We said, okay, we have an application framework. People can use our APIs and can easily link from literature to data sets. So what we did, we partnered with different scientists who are publishing this data sets, so that today you go to an article, you see a lipid structure, and then you can link to the lipid structure data sets. That's a productivity enhancement for our users. In another data set, biology data set. So people, our researchers integrated this within our platform, and then you can see, you can interact with the genes and biology genes, and you can link to the data set directly from the literature. These are a few examples that we are doing with different data sets, integrating into our article. We are not just integrating into Science Direct, but we open Scopus platform to all the data sets can also be integrated within the Scopus. What we have done, we have changed even the abstract presentation using the application framework. And we haven't done this. The only thing that we have done, we provided the tools, the services, the framework, and the scientists are building these applications. This is the way that I look at this is the next generation of abstract and citation representation. You can see there's a data set mentioned, and you can link to the data set. Another key element that we said, okay, we want to provide our full text to the scientists. So we provided our full text to the University of California in Santa Cruz. They built a text mining tool. They are looking to the sequences in the article, and then they are linking from the article to the genome browser. That's also seamless integration using our full text. What we are saying that when you provide the tools to the research community, this is going to be key for your core publishing business. It's going to be key for your content innovation. Another key element today in the market is interoperability with other platforms. You cannot be just a silo platform. So with the application framework that we created, what we are doing, we are seamlessly linking from Science Direct to another platform that we have, Reaxis. Or we are bringing Altmetric within the scientific articles. Or our customers are using Exlibris solution. Exlibris has a BX recommender service. What we are doing, okay, we bring that service from Exlibris to our platform. So we open the platform, Exlibris build the solution, they integrate it into our platform. So we are collaborating with other publishing companies to expose their services within our platform. Why? our users are paying them, they are paying to us. So if we can increase both usage of the platform, it's going to be mutually beneficial for the publishers plus the users. We are helping in the productivity of the users. Another key element, publishing is a very slow business. You know, we don't do quick development. But if you create an open platform, if you build the application framework, what you are doing that you are becoming much more agile. You can do much more agile development. And if a customer comes to you saying that, hey, I want to have a Wordle application in Scopus, you can build this application in 8 hours. In 8 hours, you have a feature in a major product. If your platform is not open, if your platform is not flexible, if people cannot build on your platform, you cannot really build features in 8 hours. Customized solutions. How you are going to respond to customized solutions that you are getting from different institutions, different customers. Again, your platform should be open and flexible. So we have a Brazilian consortium. They say that we have author profile in Scopus, but this is good. However, we want to link to our own author profile in Brazil. So what we have done, within a month, we created this application from our author profile. Brazilian customers can easily link to their author profile. That's a customized solution. If you don't open your platform, you won't be able to create this kind of solution, customized solution quickly to your researchers, to your users. And we have different users. What we are doing today, we are shuffling everything the same to all our users. It doesn't matter if you are biologists or if you are physicists. So what we are saying that with the application framework, you can customize your platform. Again, this application was built by a third party. What they did, we can provide this application to a life scientist. When they come to our platform, they can get search recommendation, keyword recommendation based on life sciences. What we are saying that domain specificity is going to be very crucial in our platforms. And what we have done, we can create lenses on our platform using the application framework. And these applications are being built by the third parties. It's a tremendous benefit for any publishers to open up their platform. On the other hand, we are also empowering the librarians. Librarians today can customize our platform based on their needs. So what they have done, they are using our APIs and they are creating applications that can easily search their catalogs. So we are also providing additional services to the librarians, enabling them to customize our platform. The key for us is to increase the collaboration between our company and academia. What we are doing, we are just providing the tools, the services for the researchers to build the solutions that they need. As publishers, as information industry, we cannot just stay as a content provider. We need to use tools, we need to provide solutions to our users. And these solutions, the beauty when you open your platform, the solutions are going to build by researchers for researchers. They understand their problems, they can solve their problems, as long as we can provide them the tools and the services. Our story is very simple. We are empowering the research community. And we created an open platform. With this open platform, all these third parties, they build on our platform productivity tools for the researchers. We couldn't have done this ourselves. We don't know all the problems. We cannot provide all the solutions ourselves. That's why going to the crowd is important today for the publishing community. And how we are doing, as we open this, we are inviting universities, we are inviting students to create applications. We are doing hackathons. And it's very interesting, and we are very happy to see that Altmetric also is gaining traction in the market. When we did a challenge in 2011, Altmetric won the first prize. So we are going to continue to do those challenges. And in 2011, we did challenges in China, in Singapore, in Australia, to bring the community together to build applications, to build solutions. And this year, we are going to continue opening up, giving the content, giving the APIs to the community to build the solutions. And what's happening also with these challenges, events that we are doing, companies are coming to the ecosystem too. Companies also contributing. They want to bring the students They want to help the students to build the solutions. The hackathons, the challenges are also helping us to improve the librarian role within the community. Today, the librarian's role is in challenge. So with the hackathons, with the Code for Science kind of events, what we are doing, we are also offering to the librarians another way to co-create solutions for their users. And from all the solutions, what we have done, we have created from third parties solutions that are helping the authors, researchers, librarian specialists, developers, integration companies, and software tool companies. So we created an ecosystem just providing the content, the APIs. And if you look at our company's logo, we have non-solocy. It means not alone. Today, there isn't one company that can be successful in our industry on their own. What we have to do, we have to collaborate with the research community. We need to build solutions together with them. And providing the content, providing the APIs are beneficial, not for the just publishers, are very beneficial for the researchers. Why? All these activities are going to create better outcomes for the research community. Thank you.